Well, hello you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I can't believe this is like my fourth upload this week. I'm on a roll. I hope you guys are proud of me. High five, high five, high five. But today is actually going to be a really hot day. We're having a heat wave where I live, so it's about 30 degrees today, or it's going to get up to 30 degrees. In Fahrenheit, I don't know what that is. I will convert it, but it's hot. And I'm just going to take you along with me during my day. So yeah, I'm going to get ready and I'm going to take this little monkey out for a walk. I have my morning cup of tea. Want some? And I'm just going to get ready for the day right now. So yeah, let's get this party started. Shout out to Four Sigmatic for sponsoring this video. They have a few new goodies, which I'm going to show you right now. And they're actually new protein powder flavors. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I love the Four Sigmatic protein powder. In fact, it is my favorite protein powder ever. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the new flavors. So we have a couple of new flavors here. We have peanut butter. I love peanut butter, you guys. And we have creamy cacao, which is a nice chocolatey one. And then of course we have the original, which I love the taste of the original. But it's really cool to have some new flavors. I was wondering if they were ever gonna, you know, expand and get some new flavors. And you can get it in the tin like this or the little serving size packets. So if you're on the go, those are really convenient. And as you can see, they have 18 grams of protein, 1,500 milligrams of mushrooms and adaptogens, gluten-free, soy-free, and no gums or fillers. Such a good protein, guys. Highly recommend it. And yeah, the ingredients are great. As you can see, it has just that plant-based proteins, some adaptogens, and the mushrooms. And then it's just sweetened with things like coconut palm sugar and organic monk fruit. Really, really great. So if you're interested in trying the protein powders or really any other Four Sigmatic product, you can get 15% off by clicking the link in my description, and that discount will be applied automatically at checkout. So with the protein powder, you can just mix it with water or a milk of your choice and drink it like a smoothie. However, with this peanut butter one, it tastes really good to make a banana ice cream out of it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now because it's super easy. There you have it, you guys. Some peanut butter banana ice cream. Super easy to make. And speaking of ice cream, I am gonna throw it way, way, way back to vintage holistic habits, and I'm gonna make my healthy fudgicle recipe today. I have a recipe on my channel making these, but you know, some of you probably weren't following me back then, so I thought it would be fun to make those today. And then also I'm gonna make another popsicle recipe for you guys. This is one that I created in my head, and basically it's just herbal tea and frozen berries. The one I'm making today is with raspberry leaf tea, and what inspired me to make these is I've been drinking raspberry leaf tea religiously for the past couple of months, and you guys, it is crazy how much it's helped my PMS and menstrual cramps. I get the worst menstrual cramps ever. I throw up, I faint, I scream, I turn into like a demon, and I can't control myself. It is so bad. It's something that it's a terror every single month. My mom was the same way. I've tried every single natural thing you can imagine, home remedies, like everything from like molasses to magnesium to I've tried everything. I'm always welcome to suggestions, but honestly, I feel like I've tried everything. And then my mom kept telling me to try drinking raspberry tea because it's anti-inflammatory. It's supposed to be really good for hormones, I guess. And I was thinking, that's not gonna help. That's too simple. How is raspberry leaf tea gonna help me? But honestly, I started drinking it religiously every single day. And the past 2 months, my period cramps have been the best they've ever been. And I've also been incorporating a lot of acupuncture for hormones, so that's been helping. But I just have this new love for raspberry leaf tea, so I thought I would make popsicles out of it to make it even more fun to drink. So yeah, let's get making these fudgicles and popsicles and enjoy the hot weather. So for this fudgicle recipe, you will need 2 ripe avocados, about 6 to 8 medjool dates, and I have these just soaking in water to make them nice and soft so they're easier to blend. Raw cacao powder, I put 4 tablespoons in here. 3 to 4 tablespoons of raw honey. I have 3 tablespoons in here, and then 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm just using canned coconut milk, and a little bit of Himalayan sea salt because that tastes so good with chocolate. And you'll also need some popsicle molds. These ones are my stainless steel molds from Onyx, and I can link them down below in the description if you guys are interested in finding these exact ones. And basically what you're gonna do is put all your ingredients into a bowl, and then I'm gonna use a hand blender and just blend it up till it's nice and smooth. You can also throw it in the blender if you have like a Vitamix or something, that works. And you can add other things in it as well to flavor it. Sometimes I like to add raw cacao nibs. I've done mint extract. You can do vanilla extract, really whatever you want. Play around with it, but I'm just making the simple recipe today. I'm trying to decide if I want to add in more cocoa powder or just throw in some cacao nibs for some crunch. I might just do that because it feels like it's missing something. And now you can transfer them to the freezer and they will turn into fudgicles. Oh, who's that? You can't have this, it's chocolate. We need to make you a popsicle. Not a poopsicle, a popsicle. Maybe like frozen bone broth or something. Love you, baby. So for the raspberry leaf tea popsicles, you will need around 2 cups of raspberry leaf tea. So I just brewed about 4 of these little organic raspberry leaf tea packets. And then you need 2 cups of frozen berries, so I'm using raspberries to keep on with the raspberry theme, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw honey. And since these ones are more liquidy, I'm going to use these smaller popsicle sticks and use these lids. It's been a while since I've made popsicles, so I forgot that this was a part of the popsicle holder. And then you just put it in like that. And then that'll catch any drippings while you're drinking the popsicle or eating the popsicle as well. And I forgot to mention, any leftover liquid you have, you can just freeze in ice cube molds and then have them as ice cubes in your drink. So a lot of you guys liked the crystals in my house tour video, so I thought I would show you a couple of new additions that just entered my home. So I have 2 new crystals, and they're both amethyst pieces. I'm gonna save the best for last. So first I will show you this cute little guy. It's a beautiful chunk of amethyst. And the reason I love this one so much is because it has so much white here, like not a lot of cement on it. It's just super, super beautiful. And that's the top. You like it? You wanna sit with it? And then now for the grand reveal of my new pride and joy. This is my amazing new piece of amethyst. This is probably one of the most incredible amethyst pieces I've ever seen. It was one of those pieces where you look at it and you're like, I know that belongs with me. Right away, I just felt a really deep connection with it. I love it so much. Actually, the first night I slept with it in my bed because I was like, I love you so much. And luckily I didn't roll over on it. But see, it looks just like, kind of like a dragon's egg. It's just so special. Look at those big points. It's incredible. It's so incredible. I'm so in love with it. But there's something special about this, and that is, it is actually a lamp. So I'm gonna bring you into the bathroom where I can turn off the lights and show you how this looks when it's glowing. Hello! So here is the amethyst, and it came with this stand, but I think this stand is actually really ugly. Just the color of wood I don't like, and it's really roughly done. So I thought that I could paint it white today. I think that would look much cleaner and just suit my apartment more. So I'm gonna turn off the lights and do the grand reveal. You guys, look how beautiful that is. My dragon egg, so beautiful. And originally it just had like a halogen light bulb in it, but within 5 minutes it would get so hot that I could barely touch this, and it was worrying me because the light bulb was touching the wood, so I felt like it was a fire hazard. So I switched the light bulb out for this little Philips LED light. I found it was a nightlight light, really small, and it was a warm light because I don't like cool tone lights. I like warm lights. So now I don't have to worry about it heating. If it was a salt lamp, you want it to get hot, but since that light bulb was touching this wood, I feel safer with a light bulb like a LED that's not gonna heat up, and then I can leave it on all the time. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be asking where I got this beautiful guy. I bought him locally in Vancouver, so I'm not sure where you can find this online. You know, that's the thing with crystals, is they're all so unique, so you kind of just have to find them where you can. Probably at the Tucson Gem Show they have stuff like this, but I've never seen a amethyst lamp like this. I've seen other amethyst lamps, but nothing like this. It's just super unique, and I'm so excited to have this beautiful, beautiful little guy. Okay, so now I'm going to get mixing my paint. I'm going to put some titanium white and then mix it with a tiny, tiny bit of Titan Buff just to make it not so stark white. So here is the final result, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it just matches my apartment better, and it matches the paint on the fireplace perfectly. So I am going to do a second coat of paint, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked right now, and I'm so happy with it. Look how beautiful this is. Look at this tired guy. Aww, I love when he stretches his legs out like that. You tired, baby? You tired? I'm just doing a little face mask because I have this pimple coming up like right under my eye. So I just want to take care of that. This is the Blue Beautifly charcoal mask. This is it. Blue Beautifly charcoal mask. And it's just good if you get breakouts and stuff. So I'm gonna apply that. It's so weird, I never get a breakout under my eye, but that one is getting bad. So I'm just gonna take care of it now. Hello! I'm not even gonna bother doing my forehead. And as you can see, I just had a shower. I just washed my hair. Just gonna wash this off my fingers. Do any of you guys do this? Just do a half mask sometimes? I feel like this is my problem area, so sometimes I just don't even bother with the forehead. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, you can click the link down below in the description to get 15% off for Sigmatic. You can try their new protein powders or try their hot cocos, their matcha, their golden milks. They have lots of yummy drinks with medicinal mushrooms in them. And when you go to their website, you can shop by either benefit or product type. So if you were looking at the protein, you can click the protein and you can learn more about each ingredient. If you scroll down, you can see it has all the ingredients listed, and you can click down and learn about each one. So reishi is really good if you have anxiety to help calm you down. Chaga is good for immune health. Lion's mane is good for brain function. So yeah, check out their website and get 15% off by clicking my link down below. And if you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Holistic Habits. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I totally lied, you guys. I'm back. I wanted to show you how the tea, the raspberry leaf tea popsicle turned out. It's such a pretty color. It's yummy. I think I prefer this one over the fudgicle because this is kind of like light and fruity and just refreshing, where the fudgicle is more rich. And I also noticed that lately I don't like coconut milk anymore, and the fudgicles have so much coconut milk in them. It's weird, like all of a sudden I don't like coconut milk, coconut meat, or shredded coconut. But I like coconut milk in kind of like stews and soups. But yeah, I'm kind of over coconut, but I still love coconut water. So I'm gonna go and just enjoy my little midnight popsicle snack, and I'll see you in my next video.